Everything you need to know about colonial-style homes. Hello friends, from its symmetrical exterior to a traditional floor plan, colonial architecture is one of the most popular options for classic homes in the U.S. Between the 16th and 19th centuries, wave after wave of settlers brought their home architectural styles to the States, or soon-to-be states. While American colonial homes came over with the British, similar styles developed from the Spanish, Dutch, and French over the next several hundred years. If you're considering buying a home with this signature look, there are some key things to know about the colonial style. What do colonial homes look like? Drive down any suburban street around Boston and you're bound to see an American colonial home. The houses are nearly symmetrical at first glance. They typically feature wood, brick, or stone siding, symmetrical windows, and a door front and center. The roof pitches steeply down and may feature deep eaves, one or more gables, and windows with overhanging dormers. Step inside, and you'll likely encounter a sprawling staircase headed up to the second floor right in the center of the house. Other colonial homes, while similar, include a range of unique accents and building materials depending on who built them and when or where they first appeared. The style even made a comeback in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Here's a quick rundown of how to spot most colonial homes. Exterior. The outside of a colonial home ranges from country rustic to regal and stately. 2 or 3 stories. Symmetrical facade, symmetrical windows, for example. Multi-pane windows. Center front door. Steep roofs. May have gables. Siding is brick, stone, or wood. Centralized or alternate-ended chimneys. House interior. Nearly all colonial homes keep a traditional floor plan with even space on either side of the staircase. Symmetrical floor plans and room layout. Staircase in the center of the home. Kitchen, living room, and dining room downstairs. Bedrooms upstairs. Fireplace in the center or at either end of the home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Ladd's channel How to Make My House.